So Jimmy, Billy, and Steve, they're going to help us give these away. And just one of the things, while we've been in here enjoying your presentations, they've been bringing all of the sets and prototypes back and forth. And so they've been really working hard. Let's first of all thank them for that. So, here's Yellow Team's bird. Oh no, I'm afraid. Okay, there we go. How this is going to work, we're going to use Ideate Model Test as the countdown. So now, let's practice all together. Ideate Model Test. Okay, we ready? Here we go. Ideate Model Test. One more. Pink Team's bird. Are we ready? You ready?
Yep.
Ideate Model Test. And our final green bird. Woo. Ideate Model Test.